In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can enter the Nigerian Naira sign on Excel. So let's say you're working on some sheet here and you need to enter the Naira. Let me show you guys how to do that. So let's say you'll be entering the Naira here. You get it on this row. So we need to select the range. So we do that by, selecting the range like this. A long press on your left side of your mouse and then you drag it to the bottom, something like that. And now we select currency and we come here. And then we come here to currency here. Good. And now we scroll down, just like on Word. So Naira is NMNOP. Yeah. So it should be here. So this is it. NGN. Good. So okay. So I'm done. It's going to be applied for all the ranges from here to here because I selected every range. So 60. It's 6,000. When I press on enter, 6,000 Naira. 50, 1, 2, 3, that's 50,000 Naira. Good. 5, that's 5 Naira. 60,000 Naira. So that's it on how you enter the Naira sign on your Excel sheet. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you guys an answer on that. That's it for the video. Peace.